problem with e-waste is that its disposal in, say, landfills or incineration, as many other solid waste items are, would release many toxic byproducts. For example, there are metals in electronic waste. Acid batteries, solders, computer monitors, and bulbs can contain lead. Cables, data disks, and tapes and corrosion-resistant film can contain chromium. Batteries, computer monitors, cell phones, switches, sensors, thermostats, and bulbs can contain mercury. Plastics, power boxes, and circuit boards can contain beryllium. Computer monitors, cell phones, printer toners, batteries, circuit boards, corrosion-resistant coatings, copy machines, and semiconductor chips can contain cadmium. Coatings, solder, and monitors can contain tin. Virtually all electronics contain aluminum. Batteries, housing, and computers contain nickel, and fire retardants contain antimony. If e-waste is incinerated, many toxic byproducts are produced, including a number of acids, a number of gases, which can cause respiratory irritation and illness, and also polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, which can be carcinogenic, or the polychlorinated dibenzo-p-dioxins and dibenzofurans, and the polybrominated dibenzo-p-dioxins, which can be carcinogenic, cause birth defects, and cause damage to the immune and reproductive systems. Other components, such as bisphenol A, which is an endocrine disruptor, can also be released. Thus, there is a great value in properly recycling e-waste. About a quarter of all e-waste is recycled at formal recycling centers where workers are protected. Some of the materials can then be resold. Some can be used as raw materials in new products. The metals can be a source of urban ore, and so thus metals can be recovered not by mining, but by being extracted from e-waste. For example, the gold from e-waste approximates 10% of what is mined. And so there is money to be gotten in properly recycling e-waste. This U.S. scrap industry is worth $105 billion. So, for example, the valuable metals which could be extracted from recycling 1 million cell phones would be equal to about 35,000 pounds of copper, 772 pounds of silver, 75 pounds of gold, and 33 pounds of palladium.